NORFOLK Southern 154 is lead power. Waiting for a recrew apparently. It's led by a AC44C6M and an ES44. And I think the MIDTRAIN DP is right underneath the whatchamacallit bridge, the pedestrian bridge. And I don't think there's a crew on board, but the G's are idling. The signal's red, so let's be the dispatcher. Let's head north. We are in North Greenville, and in the industrial area, as you can tell. Trying to keep the sun from getting onto the lens here, but my hand. But yeah, I don't know when it's going to be leaving, but it does have a MIDTRAIN DPU. Let's see. This is 4184, that's right. And I forget the number of the other unit, 8074, I believe it is.